Hello and welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're excited to showcase the Luna Vista Community by Beazer Homes in Las Vegas, Nevada. Experience new two-story residences situated on spacious home sites. Enjoy the convenience of being near shopping, dining, and easy access to Interstate 515. Revel in the remarkable open floor plans, affordable monthly HOA fees, and nearby recreational attractions. Plus, don't miss the breathtaking mountain vistas. Now, let's guide you on a seamless journey from the iconic Bellagio Fountain to your future oasis at Luna Vista. Simply follow these straightforward directions to unveil the sanctuary you've been dreaming of. And speaking of dreams, let's explore the available plans at Luna Vista. First up, we have the Juniper, starting from $419,990, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and 1,879 to 1,892 square feet of luxurious living space across 2 stories. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Juniper. Next, we present the Mesquite, starting from $434,990, offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a spacious 2,036 square feet of modern design spread across 2 stories. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Mesquite. And for those seeking even more space, the Valencia starts from $462,990, boasting 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a generous 2,532 square feet of elegance across 2 stories. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Valencia. But wait, there's more! Explore quick move-in home options, ready for you to settle in swiftly. Are you eager to make Luna Vista your new home? Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 to secure your spot in this vibrant community. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to stay in the loop on all things Luna Vista. Thank you for being with us today. Commitment is to assist you in finding your ideal home sweet home.